Have you ever thought about making money from home? It's not just a dream, it's possible. There are plenty of beginner-friendly freelance jobs online that let you work from anywhere and earn a great income. In 2026, freelancing is more popular than ever, and many people are diving into the world of online work. But where do you begin? With so many options, it can feel overwhelming to figure out where to start. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 beginner-friendly freelance jobs that pay well online in 2026. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, these freelance jobs can help you get started right away. Let's dive in. 1. Content writing. Do you enjoy writing or find joy in expressing your thoughts through words? If so, content writing is a great freelance opportunity to begin with. In 2026, content writing is more in demand than ever, with businesses worldwide seeking skilled writers to create blog posts, articles, website copy, social media content, and more. One of the best things about content writing is that it doesn't require specialized training to get started. If you have a passion for writing and can communicate ideas clearly, you're already halfway there. As a beginner, platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are perfect places to start offering your services. What makes content writing even more appealing is that you can write about topics you're passionate about. Whether it's tech, lifestyle, health, or even personal finance, content writing allows you to explore subjects that interest you while helping clients achieve their goals. In the beginning, you might feel a little overwhelmed, but don't worry, every experienced writer started somewhere. As you gain more clients, your skills, confidence, and rates will naturally improve. As a beginner, you can expect to earn anywhere from $15 to $50 per article, depending on the length and complexity. However, with time, this rate can increase significantly as you build your portfolio and gain a loyal client base. Content writing isn't just a side job. With dedication and persistence, it can become a full-time career. Many freelance writers are making steady, reliable income from the comfort of their homes. And with the growing demand for content in today's digital world, the opportunities are endless. So, if you're ready to dive into freelancing, content writing might just be the perfect starting point. 2. Social media management. Are you active on social media? Do you enjoy posting content and interacting with others online? If so, social media management might be the perfect freelance job for you. In 2026, social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok have become essential tools for businesses and influencers to grow their online presence. As a beginner social media manager, your job will include creating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, tracking performance, and building strategies to increase engagement. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs are looking to improve their social media presence, but don't have the time or expertise to do it themselves. That's where you come in. You don't need years of experience to get started. If you're familiar with social media trends and tools like Hootsuite or Buffer, you're already ahead of the game. As a beginner, you can start by managing social media accounts for small businesses, influencers, or local organizations. Social media management can pay well, with rates typically ranging from $20 to $50 per hour depending on your skills and the scope of the work. Plus, the more clients you work with, the more opportunities you'll have to scale your business. 3. Virtual assistants. In 2026, the demand for virtual assistants, VAs, is soaring, especially as more businesses continue transitioning to remote work. Virtual assistants play a key role in helping busy professionals, entrepreneurs, and small business owners manage their day-to-day administrative tasks. These tasks can range from managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling customer inquiries, to organizing files, data entry, and even social media management. If you're someone who thrives on organization, has an eye for detail, and possesses strong communication skills, becoming a virtual assistant could be an excellent freelance opportunity for you. The great thing about virtual assistants is its versatility. You don't need to specialize in one specific area. Whether you're handling customer service, project management, or general administrative duties, there's always a need for skilled VAs across various industries. Starting as a VA can be quick and easy. As a beginner, you can expect to earn $15 to $25 per hour, depending on the complexity of the tasks you're handling. The more you learn, the higher your earning potential. Over time, you can specialize in areas like social media management, bookkeeping, or project coordination to increase your rates and attract more high-paying clients. To get started, platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are perfect places to find clients looking for virtual assistants. As you build a portfolio and gain experience, your freelance career as a VA can grow into a highly profitable and flexible job, offering an excellent work-life balance. 4. Graphic design. Do you have an eye for creativity and an interest in design? If you enjoy working with design tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva, then graphic design could be the perfect freelance opportunity for you. In 2026, businesses and individuals are always in need of high-quality design work for things like logos, websites, social media posts, banners, business cards, and advertisements. What makes graphic design such an attractive freelance field is that you don't need a formal degree to get started. Many successful freelance designers began with just passion, self-taught skills, and an eagerness to learn. The good news is there are countless online courses and tutorials available that will help you learn the basics of design, and advanced techniques can come with time and practice. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and 99 Designs give you the opportunity to showcase your portfolio and begin connecting with clients. Whether you're designing eye-catching logos for startups, creating social media graphics, or developing marketing materials for small businesses, graphic design has a massive demand. As a beginner, you can expect to charge $25 to $50 per design, depending on the complexity and the project scope. As you build a strong portfolio and gain more experience, your rates can increase significantly, allowing you to work with larger companies and on more complex projects. With the digital landscape booming, graphic design skills are always in demand, making this one of the most lucrative and flexible freelance opportunities available in 2026. 5. Video editing. In 2026, video content is more popular than ever before, and the demand for skilled video editors is growing at a rapid pace. Whether it's YouTube videos, corporate presentations, social media clips, or even video ads, businesses, influencers, and creators need talented editors to make their content shine. If you have an eye for detail and are familiar with video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, video editing could be an ideal and lucrative freelance career for you. You don't have to be a professional filmmaker to get started in video editing. With the rise of platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, even small businesses and content creators require professional-looking video content to stand out. As a beginner, you can start by editing simple projects such as vlogs, tutorial videos, or promotional clips for local businesses or influencers. These types of projects often require basic editing skills, which can be a great way to build your portfolio. Video editing rates can vary depending on the complexity and length of the project. As a beginner, you can expect to charge between $20 to $50 per hour. However, as you gain experience and build a solid reputation, you can increase your rates and work with larger brands, agencies, or even production companies. Video editing is an excellent freelance job for those who enjoy working with visual content and want to tap into the growing demand for high-quality video production. With the rapid rise of video content across all industries, there's no shortage of opportunities to make a profitable career out of video editing. So there you have it, the top 5 beginner-friendly freelance jobs that pay well online in 2026. Whether you're interested in writing, social media management, graphic design, video editing, or virtual assistants, the opportunities for earning money online are endless. The key to success is starting small, building your skills, and gradually taking on more challenging projects as you grow. Freelancing gives you the flexibility to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and earn a good income doing something you love. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with determination and the right mindset, you can turn these beginner-friendly jobs into long-term freelance careers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on freelancing and how to succeed in the online gig economy. Keep pushing forward, and best of luck on your freelancing journey in 2026.